And say less. Say, it looks so good.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be.
Hi guys, it's been a week. I am currently in Detroit. I'm still here. Technically, I actually thought that I was going to be leaving today, but you know, life be life, and so we're still chilling here. I think I'm going to be hanging out past my birthday. I'm like days out from my birthday, but it's not giving birthday vibes, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't really feel like it's about to be my birthday. But anyways, I'm currently getting ready to go on a little coffee date. I literally have no makeup on. I have these little cluster lashes on that are hanging on by a thread. So I have those on, and then I'm just putting obviously like my little Refi brows situation on. And to me, like, if I'm just going to meet a friend for like coffee or like going to a workout class or something, this is literally all I need. Sometimes I'll be using a little bit too much product. If it's white, that means you have too much on. So I think you guys have seen me. Have y'all seen me do it? Maybe I will show you how I do this, but this is the product that I use. Literally just Refi Clear Brow Sculpt, I think is what it's called. Yep, Clear Brow Sculpt. That's exactly what it's called. So it's like this. You open it up. It has this on there. There's quite a bit of product here. And then I just kind of like backcomb, and then I come in with like another brush and smooth it up. I used to have a paddle, but I give away stuff all the time. I have a feeling I gave my little paddle away that I had from when I worked at Anastasia, and we used to use Brow Freeze. How I feel about the brow products, girl, is I feel like I don't care if you're using Refi, Anastasia, NYX, ELF, as long as they stick up and it's something that was clinically tested for the eye area, because that's the thing about the soap brows. People will be using product and we don't know if it's a hack, so we don't know if it's been tested for that area. Anyways, don't get me on a whole cosmetics ophthalmologist tested rant. Let me see, I might be able to show you what I have on. Okay, so backstory, I came to my mom's house this past year, and redid her bathroom. There's a mirror in here. You can like watch yourself, you can see yourself while you're doing number 2, which sounds weird, but I don't know, I kind of enjoy it. Like, I realized that there's a vein that pops out when I'm pushing really hard from this mirror being in here, but probably TMI. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing, and then we're gonna head out soon. It's nothing, literally nothing spectacular. It's mad chill, but it's like cute for a coffee date, so I'll show it to you. Okay, so we're currently in my mom's bathroom. I'm gonna show you guys. You can kind of see actually from here. Like, I just have on this little Dare sweatshirt. I actually got this from Etsy, because you know they like, this is from, obviously from the 90s. They don't sell this anymore, but I'll turn around so you guys, can see. I'm just wearing literally some local European sweatpants. And I'm gonna wear like my little, I have like I forget what style they're called, but it's like the slide-on Uggs with like the tribal print around the edges, and they're like platforms. So I'm just gonna throw those on for just like a super casual, very like just bad cash type of look. Next time I see you guys, we'll be at the coffee shop. Bye. Okay, we're finally on our way. I can't believe it's raining like this, which is so wild. I miss driving, but then sometimes I don't. Like, I'm like, oh, I'm fine not driving. Like, in this rain, somebody definitely could have chauffeured me. I could have took an Uber, but sometimes I do kind of miss driving. I feel like I'm like the quintessence of like, you would take somebody out of the environment, but you can't take the environment out of them. So like for me, while I do live in New York, or like I have a corporate job, like to me, I feel the most myself when I hear Detroit music with a crazy cadence, riding in weird pockets, and like the beat that's just me. Like I don't And I'm happy that that's me. I'll never want it to not be me. So I just kind of embrace it. But it's raining. I don't have a car mount, girl. Like every time I hit a corner, this camera is about to fall. So I'm gonna let y'all go. And then I'll pick y'all back up a little bit later. Cause also like I have more songs I wanna listen to and like I'm not trying to, you know, get a little copyright situation. So I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so just finished having coffee with Colby. It was so nice to be able to see her and just catch up. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, so we're gonna head home. I've been using this because my lips feel disgusting. Where is it at? Okay, I don't know if y'all have seen this, but Elf has these like little like lip exfoliants. If I open it, it looks like this on the inside. See how it has like texture? So it's like little sugar scrub things to like get the dead skin off your lips. And I've been using it because my lips have genuinely been tested in this Michigan weather, okay? So yeah, girl, coffee was fun, coffee was cute. I'm gonna go ahead and drive home. It's raining, so I really need to pay attention. So I'll talk to y'all later. I put that on my own mama, on my hood. I look fly.
Real love, give a fuck about them likes. Bitch tryna say I ain't fine, why? 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the dark.
Hey girl, hey, it is Friday and I've kind of just been working all day. I don't even know if we talked about this, but I did want to show y'all my nails. I am absolutely obsessed with them. They're so cute. It's just so many mixed elements and like different pieces to it. I genuinely, like, I'm obsessed with these, but I feel like we didn't talk about that. So I'm really like fighting for my life. I feel like I talk about this every year, girl, and every year I be feeling the same. Fighting for my life, trying not to have the birthday blues, but here we are. Yeah, that's just where I'm at. I'm actually about to, look at this. Disgusting. Disgusting. I'm about to take this off, redo my lashes, and like slap some makeup on. I have clothes on right now. I actually got these right here, these jeans. They're so cute. They're Levi's. The fit is called 94 baggy, I guess. But I love the way that they look. I'll show you guys like a full look in a second. Just to kind of give you an idea though. Like it's just like these little distressed jeans. The fit is like, I have a lot of room in them, you know? And then I just have on like this baby white tee. I really am going for like a very simplistic look. I'm gonna wear the same Uggs that we talked about, the ones with the tribal print, and then like a black leather type of top. Mad casual, but I feel like my vibe has been like capsule wardrobe-esque. So I'm really trying to lean into that. Very simplistic, not too much. I'm enough. I don't need to like do too much. But yeah, I just want to do like a check-in because I feel like I hadn't talked to y'all today. I really had just been working, honestly. And just trying to manage my own emotion and like check myself when I feel like I'm starting to feel down. I have too much to be grateful for. Like I'm in good health. The people that I love are in good health. Like the pressures of a birthday, especially sharing a birthday with a holiday, for those of you who don't know, my birthday is on New Year's Day. Like it can be so overwhelming, but I'm not about to fold. I'm gonna have a good day. I'm determined to have a good day. I'm gonna see some friends tonight, so I'm excited about that. But yo, girl, I'm about to just do my face real quick off camera. I don't really have the setup to be doing my face on camera here, so I'm just gonna do it off camera, and then I'll chat with y'all soon after I look like something different. So talk to y'all in a second. Bye. Good morning. It's Saturday. I feel like I have to have a conversation with y'all. I personally, hold on. Oh my gosh. I really be struggling vlogging when I'm home. Like I feel like when I'm in New York, nobody cares what I'm doing, but when I'm out in Detroit, like I don't be bringing my camera because it be uncomfortable. People be staring. Also, people do this thing where they'll talk about you. It's like, I think people think like, oh, if I'm talking about this person, their ears must be cut off. You don't think I can hear you? I'm about to have coffee and like just lounge around. The main thing that I need to do today is set up my mom's. She has like a table that she bought, and I love building things and putting things together, so I'm gonna do that. But in the meantime, I'm about to have some coffee.
Let's catch a flight, change the weather, and I promise forever. Oh,
Hey guys, it's Friday. It is like 10 o'clock in the morning. Girl, I got up because I have like a standing 9 a.m. meeting on Fridays, and it got canceled. And like, don't get me wrong, I'm happy that it got canceled, but like, I just be wishing she would cancel the night before so your girl could relax, but whatever. I've just been kind of like doing a little bit of work since I've been up, and watching vlogs, catching up on vlogs, nothing crazy. So this weekend is really focused on me resetting for the new year, kind of like getting back to, or getting to habits. One second. I've been at home. I was in Detroit for like 2 weeks. So when I came home, I was feeling pretty out of my element. So I just kind of like got to get back to me, if that makes sense. So I've just been doing things that make me feel good, but also kind of get me into, I don't want to use the term like back in a groove, because I don't necessarily want to like just recreate everything that I did in 2023. So just doing small things. Like, I can't tell you the last time I wore this little Skims dress. This is like the racer back like glitter neutral dress, but I used to wear my Skims dresses around the house because it made me feel good, and I feel like I don't do the things that, like, I haven't been doing the things that make me feel good, so I'm just trying to reinstate that. Speaking of things that make me feel good, you already know your girl loves some coffee, okay? Like, I love coffee so much, and so for Christmas, I got an espresso. I got an espresso. I'm so excited. Don't get me wrong, like, not too much on a Keurig. I love her. She did what she needed to do. I had 2 of them. So basically this morning, I haven't unboxed it. So like, what I did, because I live out of state, is I told my mom, like, girl, just send my gifts to my house. I'm somebody who loves a surprise. I wouldn't dare take a peek, and I didn't. I didn't open the box till I got back, but she basically like made these little papers and like put them in like boxes, like what you would put clothes in. And then like when I opened it, I got to see what my gifts were. So in addition to getting an espresso, I also got, she also got us an electric fireplace. I don't know why I couldn't think of the name. An electric fireplace. So what I'd like to do today is I need to unbox. I don't really, if I'm being honest, like, I don't understand Nespressos. Like, I was trying to like look online. I don't even know what pods it takes. Like, I don't know any of the things, but I do know that I really want a cup of coffee. I didn't have one yesterday. Yes, I'm lying. Why would I lie? I went to the coffee shop. I had to go into the office yesterday, so I didn't have a coffee at home is what I meant. So today we're gonna, like, you know, rejigger the coffee station. Transparently, my lease will be up very soon. So for instance, like, I'm not gonna put up my electric fireplace until I move. It's just no point. So, but this, I can't be waiting no months to have coffee. Like, I'm not doing it. So we're gonna go ahead and like, I have like a whole coffee station. Hold on, let me show it to y'all. Okay, so like I said, I have like an entire coffee station, and I love it. It's like one of my favorite things to do in the morning. It's just kind of wake up, come over to it. I've created it in a space where, like, I really like what I see when I come here. So I just need to like get rid of my Keurig, and then we're gonna unbox this Nespresso, and then hopefully have a cup. I do have therapy in an hour, so I'm kind of on a little bit of a timetable, but I think we can get it done.
Flight nigga can't even see me, I'm way out of here, I'm too far to sky. Hermes ash for the time my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Judas, she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swagger. Security bag, got a bitch, I'm a bagger. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no mud I made out of the sewer. My heart is sensitive, but over on good. How did these niggas, they looking the same. They copy my lingo, they biting my chain. Championship, ranges gon' empty shit. Bitch break the neck to the liquor key. Found them, I'm making the Canada. Get this money like it's my religion. This could be a man, they are sad, they for any of these niggas that try to compare whatever I did. Them they touched 100, the shit's off the keys. They came out the trunk of the every kid. I trap out a band, no spitting on the crib. I look at the ocean, the spot 30 M. Anyone back, the city I'm in. I keep me no fully, nobody want me. I have such a ass.
So I'm trying to figure this out. I'm not somebody who will just like, I'll take something out the box and put it together, but I absolutely need to like read the instructions. And so it came with this like little quick start guide. So we about to take a look at this. Because I'm genuinely out of my element, and I don't know why this really, like, I'm usually good with like techie stuff. I don't know why this really has me like out of my element. So plug it up. It's saying, okay, this is rinse machine before use, fill the water tank. So they have like a little thing here where it's like single, double, Granlungo, signature, just like a bunch of different ones, but this is like the beginning steps that they give you. And then they give me a little coupon, so $10 off your first coffee order at Nespresso.com, but I'm gonna go to the store and see if I can redeem it in store. So cool. I think they just want me to rinse it and like run it 3 times before actually, like, you know, putting coffee pods in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking and I'm just gonna put it together.
What's up? I'm taking my quiz. I'm about to eat like a few with the kids. Got a flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here. I'm too far to sky. Hermes ash for the time my ash. Bitch so pretty, little better than Cassie. Puffin' on Judas and she calling me daddy. Walking on shit, turn it up and I gas. Came out the gutter, they never me the swag. Secure the bag, got a bitch, I'm a bag. Turning it up, gotta make sure she good. Park a 2 mil in the middle of my hood. Drinking no money.
So I finally got it set up. It's a little interesting, and I'm gonna tell you why. The Nespresso itself is like longer. It's like longer than, I'll just show y'all. Like, I feel like there's really no way to show you this except for like, okay, look right here. See how it's like extending past? Because my Keurig, this little reservoir of water used to sit like on the side. So it was like a shorter thing because it would sit on the side, but because this one sits in the back, like, it's hanging over, which it's fine or whatever. I just have to be careful. I might have to be, I don't want to put my Keurig on a countertop. Oh my God. Living in New York is so stressful because it's like you don't have countertop space. So I don't really want to put this on my countertop. I'd like for it to be over here. It's just long. But we're gonna rock and see what happens. So the other thing is, like, I don't know if for this space over here, if I'd prefer to have like, you know, for my Keurig, I used to have like a little drawer that you would pull underneath. I don't know if I want that for this. Maybe. And maybe if it was a little bit taller up off of this, I would feel more comfortable about the fact that it kind of like hangs over. I don't know. But part of me just kind of like maybe wants like a little jar where I keep like the pods at. I don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out. This will be, you know, a bit of a project. And I'll probably order some stuff from Amazon today to kind of like make this look more coffee station-y. I feel like with my bulkier Keurig, it looked fuller, but like now, I don't know, it's looking a little skimps. So, yeah. All right, well, I'm gonna run it 3 times, then I'm gonna have a little coffee, and we'll see how our first Keurig. We'll see how our first espresso tastes. I'm excited. Hi. So in the middle of me setting up this Nespresso machine that I was so excited for, I just kept looking at it and I'm like, something about this is not right. Like, what is it? I'm gonna tell you what it is. I'm gonna tell you what it is right now. Let me show y'all this. So where's my Google Docs at? Hold on 1 second. Okay. So this is what I sent my family on my Christmas list. I don't know if y'all can see this, but do you see how it's a chrome Nespresso and it has chrome highlighted on here? That Nespresso I just unboxed. It's a lot of things, but it ain't chrome. So I called my mama like, girl, you got me the wrong machine. And I hate calling to tell her this because she be so up in arms. And I'm like, it's okay. Like, just, this is not the right one. So now we have to figure out how to send this one back so I can get the one that I actually asked for. So that's what I'm on. So I just put it back. Like, I just put the Keurig back. I took it, like, I had basically everything that I just did that y'all just see me do. Forget you see me do it because I'm gonna have to do it again when I get the right machine. Which is fine, whatever. I think it kind of gives me a little bit more time to get prepared, so I'm not mad about it. For instance, like, I don't have a pod holder, so I need to get something to hold my pods. So, like, by the time this next machine comes, maybe I'll have, like, more things, I think, situated. So that's what I'm gonna work on. I am just gonna kind of sit on my iPad and like order some stuff for my Nespresso machine. Oh wait, I wanted to show y'all something. Hold on a second. Okay. This was also on my Christmas list because I'm a weirdo, but nobody takes me seriously, so they didn't get it. But I will show you guys this because I I am gonna sit on the couch and order Nespresso stuff, but probably when I get back from the gym because I got this in stock. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about it. I have been wanting OxyShred for so long. All the girls be like, I'm off the OxyShred, they snatch, looking great. I have wanted it so long. So if you don't know what OxyShred is, it's a thermogenic fat burner. So like you take it before you go to the gym and it's supposed to kind of like, your internal body temperature will be higher, which means you will burn, you know, fat. But also it's supposed to give you more energy too while you're at the gym. So let's look at the directions. On training days, take 1 scoop in the morning with 10 ounces of cold water, then take another scoop 10 minutes before exercising. That's weird. Okay. On non-training days, take 1 scoop with cold water first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Oh, you're supposed to take this every single day. I thought that you just take this when you go to the gym. They're saying you take it daily. Avoid eating other foods or drinking a protein shake within 20 minutes after consuming the OxyShred. Now, I don't know how I'm about to incorporate this in my day because in the mornings, I like to have a little protein parfait. So, I don't know. But this has 60 servings. I'm gonna be honest with you. I may only take this on training days. I don't foresee myself. Why do I need to take it on a day that I'm not training? I don't know. But I'm gonna go to the gym and I'm gonna try this for the first time today. I'm very excited about it. So I'll probably just head to the gym now just because I need to like get it out the way. Yeah, it's already 1:30. I'm gonna get it out the way and then I'll come back home and I'll kind of like figure out my little Nespresso debacle. So see you guys soon. Bye. Okay, so I'm back. I'm pretty much ready for the gym. I'm just like doing little small things. Yeah. Does this work? Sometimes I'll be liking to pull a little bit of the hair through at the bottom. But I like wearing a clip to the gym versus like scrunchies when I want my hair like up. So put that in, a little clip. I think I've linked these before, but I'll link them again. And then I just have on this like, let me lower this so you can see. I just have on like a Gymshark outfit on. It's like a little 2-piece. And then I just put like my Lululemon jacket over top. So I'm about to try this. I don't know why I'm nervous that I'm gonna like get the jitters while I'm at the gym. Cause I don't really take like supplements for real, but we're gonna give it a go. I have like a little stack of little shakers, so I'm gonna use that. And then I'll keep like the little metal ball. Ew, this doesn't look good. Why does it have this on there? What is this? I don't know what that is. Okay. Anyways, I'm just gonna drop this in here. It said do it right before you go to the gym and take it every day. Absolutely not. What is this? How many liters is this? Is there a measure on here? And these little things, yeah, they do. Okay, so it says about 10 ounces. So it has like a little measuring cup. So I'm just gonna take my little Fiji water and put it in there. Let's see. Also, I'm silly. I guess I can leave the little thing in there. I don't usually leave this in here. I usually drop it in there. That's cool. We are at 10 ounces. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So now I'm just gonna scoop this stuff in here. Realistically, like, my biggest thing is I feel like I just be getting to a certain spot and then I can't get any lower than that. So like what I'm hoping is this kind of breaks me out of a plateau. Throw this away. Also the flavor I got raspberry refresh as a flavor, but they have a bunch of different flavors. I ordered mine from Amazon, but I know you can like get these in the store, like, you know, supplement stores and stuff. It's got a little bit of it on top. Let me throw that away. Okay. We're gonna open the little protection thingy. The TE label is what it's called, tamper evidence label. I learned that at work. Okay. open. Honestly, I don't know why I was expecting for it to be pink. Why was I expecting that? Like, it's just like a little white powder. And then luckily I didn't have to go fishing to get the little scooper, because you know sometimes they be putting it so low in there. So you literally just take a little bit of it. Cool. Take this. I'm gonna dump it in there. Oh, it does kind of change color once it hits the water. I don't know how that activates, but now it's pink. That's so weird. Y'all saw how white that powder was. Look how pink that is. So yeah, I'm just gonna shake it up. Cool. All right, let's see what the vibes is in for. How yummy is it? It tastes fine enough. Woo! Kind of tart. Okay, so I'm about to drink this. I'm gonna drink this and then I'm gonna head to the gym. I'll see you guys when I get back. Chat soon. Hi guys, it's Saturday morning. I know that it's been a minute since the last time I talked to y'all, but I just wanna have a little honesty moment. I have not been having a great start to my year. If you watch any of my vlogs from last year, you know that like the beginning of the year is really tough for me. I suffer from the birthday blues is what I call it, but I think it's just really like, it's a transformative season for me. Not always in the best of ways. I say all that to say that when I took that Nespresso out the box and it was the wrong color, like I needed a moment. So yeah, we're back. It's Saturday. We have some errands to run, so let's go do them and then we can come back and chat.
Normally I'm quick to switch up my playlist. I might unpack my bag and don't say shit.
So we just finished a wax. It was really fast. I don't even know if it was 5 minutes. There's a Sephora that's close by, so we're gonna head there. I'm not looking for anything specific, but I did get a gift card for Christmas, so let's see what they have.
I wanted to say this. Honest to make it. I'll trade it all for a word. But it just hurts so much when it ain't working out.
Good morning and happy Sunday. I'm currently drinking my first brewed at home cup of coffee in 2024. It's also my last cup brewing with my Keurig. Hold on guys, because I'm watching church, so it's praise and worship, and I actually love this song, so hold on. Just turn it down a little bit because I just don't want to get in trouble for playing it. So a couple things. One, when I got back home yesterday, I literally did nothing. Like I showered and I had a nice shower too. I'm talking like lights off, light a candle, playing jazz music. I had a really great shower, and then it kind of just like set me up for a really relaxing night. So I didn't pick you guys up because I didn't do anything. I was actually supposed to plan out my content, but I ended up getting up this morning and doing it. So today is really me focusing on keeping promises to myself. So there's a lot of content that I wanted to be able to give you guys in 2023, and I just didn't create systems to be able to pump out as much content as I would have liked, but I'm really trying to change that this year, you know. So the community is growing and I'm so grateful for you guys, and based on that, I want to be able to give you value while you're here. And I feel like there's a lot of information that I have that I sit on. I feel like I've said this to you guys before if you've watched any of my other vlogs, but 2024 is a year where we unload the clip. We're not keeping the content on the SD card. We're not keeping the content in our phones. Like, we are really showing up because, I don't know, something about my birthday just hit me like, girl, you ain't doing nothing but getting older. Like, you gotta come full steam. So that's the vibe that I'm on. As far as the Nespresso, I have a label. I have to send it back to Target. That's where my mom got it from. but she already ordered me another one, the one that I originally asked for on my Christmas list, because that woman is a saint. Like, I'm talking about reacted immediately. So that will be here today. So we'll unbox that. And I have like a little, hold on. This is so bad while I'm watching church, but I have this that I got from my flight back to New York. They gave it to me for my birthday. So even if my Nespresso come in a little late, we having some coffee today, okay? So anyways, biggest thing today is gonna be creating a lot of content. I only have one camera, which means you guys probably won't be seeing it because I'll need this to like record. But I have some fun content planned, and then we have some unboxings later on today. So also my man come home today. I miss him so much, oh my goodness. So he'll be home today, so I'm really not gonna be picking y'all up because I haven't seen him in 5 days. But I'm gonna watch church, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hey, so it's a little bit of time later. I actually just finished filming a video doing a review for the TheMeshaBrand Yummy Skin Serum Tint. As you can see, I think I've shown this to you guys before, but like I live in a really small apartment in New York. I don't have a lot of space. So this is like my little content corner where if I have to do sit down videos, I'll just record here. I'm just kind of like putting it back together because I have to like tuck it back or else it makes my room, which is already a hot mess, even more congested. But tell me why. Bro, tell me why I started filming and I didn't realize that this mannequin head was still sitting there. I filmed the whole video with that up there, so when you watch it, just it's gonna be what it's gonna be. I looked back because I started doing like short form stuff on my phone and I was like, wait, I had this fucking mannequin head sitting here this whole time. But anyways, I'm just gonna finish like cleaning up my little corner and then we'll go upstairs because I have some unboxings to do and it's Sunday and I just kind of want to get them out of the way so that everything's unboxed by the time my Nespresso gets here. So basically all I do is I kind of just like, I already tucked this, but this comes out like, and I'll angle it, but I'm just tucking it right now. And then I just kind of like reorganized my lights back into the corner so that they're not like all in the way when I have to use my mirror and stuff. Also, another thing that I'm worried about is I left my heater, which is literally like it sits right above where I film at. I left that there, and I mean I left it on, so I hope you can't like hear it while I'm filming, I guess. I need to do something with this bag, but for right now it can just sit right there. My whole room has been genuinely a hot mess. Oh, you guys see me? Hey. Oh, I'm crazy. Okay, also, I tried a new technique with my lashes. Okay, well, let's talk about the technique. So basically what I did was I did the in one first, like on the end, and then I did the inner corner, and then I kind of like overlapped in the middle to give it like a really nice blended wispy effect, and say less. It looks so good. Oh, let me show y'all these new lashes that I got. Hold on. Okay, so I bought these because I had, hold on, you guys are really low. Like, not me feeling tall. If you don't know, I'm 5 foot, so this is absolutely a joke. But, okay, so 2 things. I also have a video. It's actually one of my more popular videos on my channel. And it's how to apply falscaras. So, I use the falscara glue and bond seal. Hold on, I'm going to show it to you. Because all my makeup stuff is down here. So I use the Kiss brand of this, which is like the official like falscaras situation, and this is like the overnighter. Where we're at an impasse, honey. Where Kiss and I are at an impasse is like, I wear a lash, very much a lash, right? Like, so I want them wispy. I want them to give lash extension because like that's the vibes, right? So I bought these. They're from a company called Lash View. It'll be linked down below. But I bought these and I just want to show y'all like real quick, like just so you can see like how freaking wispy they are. They're like hair. None of that plastic BS. Like it's giving hair. And these got the nerve to be eco-friendly, which is like sustainable niche. Sign me up. Anyways, they have a 10, a 12, a 14, and a 16. 2 rows of each. So I use just like, you can tell I use like 1 little row right here, but I'm obsessed, babes. Like, they look so good. And like to the touch, they're not like firm or plastic feeling. Oh, okay. Sorry, I have to run upstairs. Bye. Okay, my bad. So like I was saying, these lashes, I'm gonna link them down below. They're fire. They're super wispy, really soft. Sorry that I ran away so abruptly. I had to get up because I heard the doorbell. Just as I was talking about doing all these unboxings before my packages came, like it literally came in the middle of me saying that, which is so crazy. I probably spoke it up. But yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna show you guys. I literally, there's a nook of my house that I intentionally try not to show y'all because it's kind of like my package station and it gets real nasty, but I'm gonna show you. So like this, but then also there's like a bunch of stuff on the floor. So yeah, let's just get into it. There's a lot of stuff from like before Christmas and I've just been at my mom's house, so things were kind of accumulating. So let's just, you know, let's get into it. First things first, actually. First things first. I felt like I was gonna sing a lyric, but I couldn't think of what it was. Let me show y'all what I got from Sephora yesterday when we were hanging out. First off, birthday gifts. Okay, so because my birthday is in January, I get to see what the gifts are for the year first. And right now we have a Sephora Beauty Insider free gift. So I picked the youth to the people. There were some other options. I don't remember what they were. But I got the Kale and Green Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser, Super Berry Hydrating Glow Dream Mask, and Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. So I'm really trying to like, I'm coming for everything they took from me in 2024. Nobody took anything from me in 2024, but I do want better skin. So I'm really trying to like tap into my skincare this year. So I'm really excited about this product. So now on to the things that I actually purchased, which is so crazy because I purchased 4 things and my total was $161. Sephora know how to get you. Sephora knows how to get you, so just be careful. No, I purchased 5 things, JK. So, dang, I left one of them downstairs. Be right back. Besides my birthday gift, the first thing that I bought was the TheMeshaBrand Yummy Skin Serum Tint. I've had my eye on her for a minute. I actually got into it. I was watching Kyra Amanique, and I saw that she was at like an event and they were shade matching, and I was like, ooh, I really want to try that. I am obsessed. I've actually never seen my skin this radiant. I have it on right now because I just filmed the video like I just told y'all, but I mean, it just looks so good. I mean, I don't even have concealer on. It looks so, okay, so needless to say, obviously I'm obsessed with that. I am a shade 12, in case you're curious. Yeah, 12. Cool. The next thing I bought was this One Size On Till Zon setting spray. I know you've heard about her. She really has a reputation. Her reputation precedes herself. Every time I would go into Sephora, it was sold out. So before I bought the full size, I wanted to try this. The last one size product I bought was the powder. I had like a natural reaction. There's a video that I'm doing. I gotta remember which video it is, but I tried it for the first time on, like I couldn't even hold back. I was like, whoa, like I didn't expect my skin to look so blurred. So I really have a love for one size products. The other product that I have is the remover. That baby, it's gonna take that makeup off, okay? So I'm really excited to try this, especially with the whole Renaissance craze from Sir John, all the things. Then I also wanted to try this because maybe, I don't know how this is gonna feel, but sometimes, actually most times, let me actually look. Yep. A lot of times with really, really great setting sprays, like let's just take the all-nighter, usually it has a high concentration of alcohol, which doesn't sit well on the skin. It's kind of an uncomfortable wear, but it's a sacrifice that you make just to be able to, like, you know, have your makeup last all day. So just in case this is uncomfortable, I had been dying to try this as well, and I'm late to the party, but I wanted to try it out. This is the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. Party All Night, Stay All Day by Charlotte Tilbury. So I also purchased this. Again, purchasing mini so I can get a feel for what my vibe is before I purchase the full size. And on the mini train, I have the Glossier You fragrance. The girlies was talking about this, and I typically like a very warm scent. Let me tell you something. There are girls who will tell you, give you a full rundown about a fragrance because they buy all of them. I'm stingy with my money when it comes to fragrances. I'm not gonna hold you. I'll splurge on makeup, but fragrances, it's just so personal. It like, how can I explain it? When you smell someone's fragrance, it aids in how you perceive them so much. And I'm really picky about how I want to smell. So we're giving the little small rollerball a go first if we like her. Because I guess the whole concept of this fragrance is supposed to smell like whatever your natural pheromones are, like whatever you smell like, but intensified. So I just want to try it. And I'm gonna show you something else that I got that I'm probably gonna take back. I was standing in line and this was like an impulse purchase. I've heard great things about the Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 25% HAA plus 2% BHA exfoliant peel. So it's like a liquid exfoliant, which my skin tends to only have texture because there are layers of dead skin, and like I just don't love exfoliating. I just am so nervous that I'm gonna like damage my skin. I do it, but I don't love doing it. I would prefer a more gentle liquid exfoliator. So as I'm standing in line, this baby was sitting right here on the end cap, right above a strip that said that this was $13. It's not $13, it's $44. At $13, I was into it. I don't know if I'm into it at 44, but we'll see. I'm actually gonna try it before I decide to return it. So that's everything that I got from Sephora, girl. I would say it was a successful trip. The Sephora that's closest to me, if you're familiar with New York, is in Williamsburg, and it is what you call a Sephora studio. I had never seen those until I moved to New York. It's a smaller store with more, like less merchandise. So with that being said, they don't always have everything, and it be congested AF in there. So I'm not gonna lie, I was trying to get in and get out. That's why I was like, I can't even fucking record in here. You can barely breathe in that bitch, but I was just like, let me get what I came to get, and obviously bought some other stuff I didn't need to come get. Okay, the next thing that I want to show you guys, I'm actually really excited about, so hold on one second. So before I left for Christmas, my friend Skylar, hi Sky if you're watching, gave the girls these, and it is literally a gift basket of Black-owned items, like things from Black-owned businesses. So I really want to showcase this to you guys, just in case like you've never heard of these brands. I think it's really important that we, you know, show all of the, we support each other. Like it makes sense. It does. Let's keep our dollars circulating. Don't have me go on a whole support Black-owned business brand. And even if you are not Black, actually especially if you're not Black, please support Black-owned businesses. Okay, so let's go in order. First things first, Alexandra, a candle from Alexandra Wimbush. If you have never ordered a candle from Alexandra Wimbush, you're missing out. So this one is window seat. She smells amazing, very clean, very fresh. I love. The owner of this company is a close friend of mine, and she's just such a creative genius. So anything she has, I'm excited about. Next, matcha from the brand Pure Goldie. Or I'm sorry, Pure Matcha from the brand Goldie. I'm not a matcha girly. I want to be a matcha girly so bad. I want to be, but like when I be tasting it, like, oh my god, I can't. So I just think I need to learn how to make it better. When my friends make them for me, like Brittany has made me matcha before. Actually, I have a vlog where we made matcha teenies at Brittany's house. Brittany, aka the girl who is behind Alexandra Wimbush. And it was good. I just can't make it myself, but this will inspire me to perfect it. Next, we have Main Squeeze Gloss Hood. What? This is so cute. I love that name, Gloss Hood. So it says Ultra Juicy Lip Gloss. So this is what she looks like. Let me open it and see what it's giving. I'm cracking up at Gloss Hood. Oh my god, so cute. Look at the packaging. Fun, cute, fresh. I love. Can't wait to try her. I also got from Finesse Your Claws these really cute, really fun press-ons. Like, excuse me, how cute are these? We got some stones. We have like actual fun designs. And so that's the thing. Like, I think the press-on business really revamped itself during the pandemic. It has skyrocketed because it used to be given just basic, lame. We want some pizzazz. And this right here, baby, that's pizzazz. So really cute. Excited to try the Finesse Your Claws. The next thing in my basket, my girl already knew, okay? So I have these, the topical under eye masks. They're like brightening, clearing eye masks. I already have a packet of these that I have not opened, but but I'm never mad at another pack. These are amazing. And if you were keeping up with the topicals trip, the friend Skylar who gifted me this was also on the trip. In addition to another friend that you've seen on my vlog, Elise Fox. So shout out to the Black creators. Shout out to Topicals sending my girls to Ghana. Okay, period. And then we also have this little edge styler from Baby Tress. This is so cute. I love how thick it is. I love the color of it. It's like a pretty dense brush. I don't know if you can kind of like see, but it's pretty dense. I was like, oh, this is so cute. And I can never have too many baby hair brushes because I'm definitely a baby hairs girly. And then Via Ray. I have had this Prosecco. I'm fucking obsessed. It's so good. I'm not a girl who will kind of just like sit and sip Prosecco, but this I will. It's actually very yummy. Like, it's not nasty. And also, I just think the brains behind Issa Rae, please. So smart. Like, she just is like a genius. Also, I got a book, which is so great. My goal, every year I set a goal to read 12 books. I'm not doing that. I'm just gonna set a goal to read 6 because clearly I'm not hitting the 12. But it's called Homebodies, a novel. And it's by Tembe Denton-Hurst. So excited for this. Oh my gosh, wait a minute. I never saw that she left me a little card. Misha, my girl, another year of knowing you and what a blessing it's been. I'm so excited for more years of sharing wine over double dates with our booze, or gassing each other up for being the baddest bitch, for cackling endlessly over silly jokes. All of it is a girl. All of it is a... I don't know what my girl said right here. So I'm honored to give you even a few back. Oh, all of it is a gift, so I'm honored to give you a few back. Merry Christmas from Sky. Oh my god, I have the best friends ever. They're so great. Okay, so then we got these cool stickers, which, like, period, look at this one. Look at these black girl ass stickers, so cute. So look at this one. This one's my favorite, but there's some really cool stickers here. And then lastly, I got from the same brand where I got the stickers, I got a paper vase. So versatile cloth that rises to every occasion. So it kind of shows you here how to create the little cloth, the paper vase. These are some really, really cool gifts. Like, I just feel so spoiled. So wanted to make sure I showed you guys this lovely basket that my girl gifted us. And we're gonna move on to more unboxings. Okay, so the next little gift bag I actually got from my boss at work. So it's not technically an unboxing, but I figured I would just go through my gifts. But this right here is from a place called Raw Spirit in Detroit. In Brooklyn. It says Healing Gems and handcrafted in Brooklyn. So she got me a cute little Capricorn candle, which is like so sweet. And when I open it, it has black tourmaline for energy, stability, security. So like it has the black tourmaline in there, which I think is so cool. So I got this fun little candle from her. Love that. And then obviously she got me a card. So I just feel like that was so sweet and so nice. Okay, so the next, we're gonna continue with like PR stuff. The next box, this is my first time ever receiving PR from them, and I was actually really excited. They asked me for my information a while ago, but it must have come, well, it did come while I was in Detroit, so I'm like just now seeing this. But it's from Showfields, which is self-proclaimed the most interesting store in the world. So let's see what all they gave. Says, oh, it's a cute little, oh my gosh. I just be feeling so spoiled. Okay, so this is Showfields right here. This is what it came in, this little bag right here. So let's get into it. Let's see what this is. Share your look, official Buddha to Buddha, embrace life. Oh, it's like for a jewelry collection. So I think this card goes with this. These look like cards, but I don't exactly know what they are. But this is the deck of cards. Maybe I should open it and see what it's talking about. Let's see. I don't know what that is. Okay, got the wrapper on. What's this? Oh, they are genuinely plain cards, but they're like matte black with like a glossy black on top. Fire! I just love aesthetic stuff. So like, can you imagine when somebody come over and you're like, you want to play cards? Which, first off, do people still play cards? But we definitely play cards in my house. So if I'm like, you want to play cards? Then I have this. Okay. The biggest thing that's sticking out right now is, let me just pull everything out because I don't want to miss nothing. Okay. Cool. So now I have this, it's a Verb hair kit. So it has volume dry texture spray, ghost oil dry shampoo dark, and glossy shine spray, and it's also a heat protector. Like what? Who knew? And then I also have this Stoic Beauty serum and some House of Lashes actual lash strips. I cannot speak today, but lash strips. These are so cute. So I think this is the last PR box. Yes, this is the last PR box. So let's see. It's from We're Really Not Strangers. We're Not Really Strangers. I always say it the wrong way. We're Not Really Strangers. Okay. Oh my gosh! They gave me some cute shit. This is so cute. Okay, so they gave me the couples pack. So there's that. They gave me the original one, which is so cute. Transparently, I bought with my own money and already have these. And the brand, I engage with them on Instagram. So then as a supporter, they send me another set. So I'm gonna keep it and gift it to somebody. But this hoodie, so cute. Let me open it. I'm always showing y'all something through some plastic, but oh my gosh, that was so nice. I'm obsessed with this. Are you kidding me? What size did I tell them? I can't remember what size I told them. But anyways, it says, you are bigger than what is making you anxious. Period, cause I am. Oh my gosh, oh. Your anxiety is lying to you. Your anxiety is lying to you, babe. It's telling you you can't do stuff. You can do it. It's telling you you'll never make it. You will. Like, it's definitely lying to you. But I'm obsessed with this hoodie. I will definitely be wearing this because this is so stinking cute. I'm a sucker for like graphic things. I had an artist person, I was gonna say friend, but she's not my friend. She's more like a mother-in-law. She was like, if you were an artist, you be a graphic artist because you love words, you love phrases, and I do. So I absolutely love this sweatshirt. So super excited about that. The other thing that I have is stuff from home. There is one thing in there that I do want to show you, so let me get that now. Let me just like clean my life up a little bit and I'll come back on camera. Okay, I was about to show you guys a gift, but my gift is damaged, so I'm not gonna show it to you guys. Now I need to call Wayfair and exchange it because it's cracked. But it was essentially a new dinnerware set with like, I guess, I don't know how to, I guess I could show you one of them, but basically just like ceramic, no, I'm not even gonna pull all that out. Ceramic dinnerware set, but it's broken, so I need to send it back and just get it exchanged. So yeah, that's all the unboxings that I need to do. The last thing that's over here is my Keurig. Y'all already see me unbox one. I'm not about to do all that. It's gonna be the same process. I was gonna show you what it looks like because I did get like a little slider for the pods. So I'll just kind of show you what that looks like once I actually have it set up. So that's what I'm about to do. Okay, y'all, update. So only one of the plates was broken, but everything else was fine, and they're gonna send me a replacement plate. So I just wanna show you guys my new dinnerware. Oh my God, I'm so excited. What is this? Oh, girl, I thought this one was broken too. So I got these cute dinner plates. This is like the full-size plate, and this is like the little salad plate, but they're ceramic. I've been wanting girl, I'm about to break another one. I've been wanting plates like this for a little minute now, so I'm so excited. Let me also show you the bowl. So I love a deep bowl like this for salad, for pasta. Like, when I be getting in my cooking bag, you can't say nothing to her, okay? And I have aesthetic plates and bowls. Say less. Say less. It's up and it's literally stuck. I can't wait to cook in these. So I'm gonna put these in the cabinet. The only thing that's kind of poopy is out with the old, in with the new. So because I live in this small apartment, this is literally the extension of my cabinets. I'm gonna have to get rid of my old plates, which only makes me sad because our old plates were a gift from like our wedding registry. At the time, those were the vibe, but right now I'm so excited about these little cute flat plates. So yeah, that's everything. Like I said, the only thing left to unbox is my Keurig. So when I do it, I'll just show it to y'all, but I'm not about to be doing a whole unboxing girl stuff. I don't have it to give. I don't have it to give. So yeah, I will chat with you guys. I'll show you after. I'm about to just unbox the Keurig so that I'm ready for my Monday morning. I'm trying to like just, you know, get ready for the week. So I'm gonna show it to you guys after I actually get it set up. I did, however, I will show you that I did buy, I don't know if when you saw when I set it up the first time, I was like, oh, it's sitting kind of funky, and I didn't really have any space for like the pods. I don't even have pods right now, so there's that, but I didn't have any space for the pods. But I ended up getting like a little Keurig drawer, or a Nespresso pod drawer that looks exactly like the one that I have underneath my Keurig right now. So 1-to-1 replacement. I think it's a little bit more narrow just because pods are more narrow in nature, so. Okay, so as you can tell, right, like this bad boy right here, the chrome one, it looks so different. This is what I wanted. Shiny, beautiful chrome that goes with any like appliances. So very happy that I got it. Oh, 1 second. Your girl is not trying to get demonetized. But yeah, thank you so much for hanging out with me this weekend. I really enjoyed vlogging and I just had so much fun hanging out with you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.